So let's look at BTC USDT, the trade we took today. So starting from here. So starting from here, if you look clearly, you see what the market was doing here. We are having this consolidation here, consolidation here. It looks tiny, it looks small. A lot of traders will not consider this as an important area. So, but I consider it as an important area because we have this support here. We have this support here. And with these two supports is valid, it's actually valid, it's strong. So I have to look at these two zones and then have two things in mind because the movement here is tiny, it's not that so big. So we have to just either we wait for the market to break above here or wait for the market to break below these two zones. If it's just only one zone, then we are not sure of it. But since it's already, if it's just one support, we are not sure of it. But since it's already two supports, we are sure of it. So any break below above here will give us buy, or a break below here will give us sell. So at the end, what do you get? You got a break below to this point. And then we didn't take the trade from here because we were waiting for a proper retest. If you don't get a proper retest, you are not taking the trade. The market came back up here. To us, it's still not a proper retest. So the market have to make this whole movement and then come back and give us this touch over here. Give us this touch over here. Consider this. If you consider this place, mark out from the bottom of the body of the candle, and you look back here, you see that it's totally matched with the bottom of the candle, with the beginning of the candle over here. And then the wick have to also give us this touch to this area, which is the support area, so which is actually a proper retest. And then what did we do? We took ourselves down to this side. We took ourselves down to this side. We closed at this zone. We have a reason why we closed at this zone. We don't fucking care about what else happened over here. So we closed at this point. And when the market gives us this big sale, this huge sale, you have to have two things in mind. You have to have in mind that the market is actually going to give you a pullback. The market is not just going to continue running down. The market is going to give you a pullback since you already gotten this break below and then a sell. And then here again, we have another break below here. We're going to get another pullback to this place again and a sell. So where is the possible support over here that the market could actually give us a proper retest? So this is what we have. We have this here. We have this week here. We have this week here. And then we got this third one over here. So we have to mark out, use our rectangular array and then mark out this area, this support, and then the market give us a pullback to this place. But the reason why we don't take the trade as a sniper entry is because we have to wait for the market to give us a proper sweep to the downside. We want to see the body of the week, then to be sure that the market is going to sell. So we got this trade, we took this trade, and then we sold down to this area. We closed up to this area. So this is a nice, successful trade. So the third one we've got this consolidation over here. We've got this consolidation, which means we already have an area of support here. And over here, we have this area here, but this is more valid and more strong, which is, it is more likely that the market gave us this, and give us this. It is more likely that the market is going to give us a pushback. And that pushback can only either come to this zone, or either come to this zone, or either come to this zone. So where is the body of the candle? Why is it supposed to come to this zone? Because the body of the candle, this is actually the body of the candle. This is actually the body of the candle. And this one here is the wick. So there is a possible means that the market have to come back to the body of the candle before selling. And what happened? The market did as said. And then the market came back here and then give us a nice entry. And then we took the sell to the downside. You see? And then this trade, this little tiny trade over here, the same thing that happened over here, the market sold, and then we expected a pullback and then another sell. That is the same thing that happened here, the market sold, then the pullback is what we got. We got the pullback here and then we sold again. And this actually a trade that dropped in the channel. So we sold again and then we got this final TP here. So finally, okay, this actually trade. This is actually the setup. I took the trade, I dropped the signal in the channel. We also took the trade here. We smashed TP. We smashed this TP, and here we say add more positions, and then this sell BTC. So it was a successful, nice trade. And over here, looking at this, we already have this area over here. This area over here. Look here, you see there is a lot of wick, a lot of wicks here. And then if you look here, back here too, there's still another one here. So this area is valid. It's totally valid. So what do you do? I have to anticipate if the market is able to break below this zone, it's going to give us a retest and then a sell down, or the market is going to give us a pushback to the upside, and it's actually happened. And this is it. The market give us a pushback to the upside. We didn't take the trade actually. We didn't take this trade, but if we took the trade, it's going to be a successful trade, which is here, and then our TP is actually here. It's a successful trade. Look at the market already pushed, and then it broke above our TP. So we should be looking at maybe a sell. The body of this candle might actually move down to this place and close below here. If it closes below here, then you can take a sell and then close your trade here. But if it pushes above here, then we are looking at more bullish trend. So this is a successful trade that we have today.